One at 911, what's the location of your emergency?
I just got hit by a train.
Okay, where are you?
I'm off the path of the park in downtown Lilburn.
Okay, were you walking or were you driving?
No, I was walking.
Okay, but you're okay? Like you sound like you're...
No.
Okay, are you still on the tracks?
No.
Is there anybody around you that you can
I don't see
flag
anyone,
down?
No.
Okay, hold on a second. I'm going to try and figure out where you are, okay?
Okay.
And you're off the tracks, correct?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you, sir?
17.
And what part of your body was hurt?
My legs.
Okay, are they broken?
I think it cut them off.
It cut them off?
Yes.
Okay. Where were you walking along? You were on,
I was just off the path in the park.
Okay, but you don't remember which park you were at?
No. I just know it was in downtown Lilburn. By the garden.
Okay, hold on 1 second. And there's a trail that you were walking on?
Yes, and then I went off it.
Onto the tracks?
Yes.
Okay. You weren't trying to hurt yourself, were you?
No.
Okay. How were you approaching the tracks when it happened? Were you just walking up to it, or?
Yes, I was just walking up to it.
Okay. Did you sit on the tracks, or?
No, I fell, under it,
Okay.
almost.